Another Friday close pretty volatile for those stocks. We're gonna discuss the next week price action and game plan for the insiders and market maker, where they buy and where we should sell with them to make some profit. That's the main reason we do this video, and that's the main reason that you're watching this video. So let's dive right in and start about those stocks that will have a potential to squeeze for the next week. First off, we have this stocks jump almost over 80%, then went down, gravitating around the support. The ticker symbol is PXMD. We talked about it in pre-market in our Friday squeeze watch list. We said when the market open, we need to hold this support at $4.13 and confirm movement and volatility until the $6.40. This is where we should take our profit. And again, if we go back, we see that the price didn't even test the $4.13. Market maker buying here, preventing for the price to go down, went higher to test our profit taken around the $6.47. Is there opportunity for us to make money for the next week? One signal that we're gonna confirm by next Tuesday, which is holding the current support, the $5.08, and preferably the pre-market on Tuesday, we see it gapping. And if we have a gap and the price over the $6.47, this is a big signal for strength for the stock, and we're gonna get the $7.70 and even maybe this $9.44. This is crazy price level. If we calculate from the price that we close at, the $5.15 until here, yeah, another 80% for this stock. There's high potential to make this price action if we just hold this support. This would be a big indication, which is above the $5. The next one we have RVPH. Have a potential as well, because we make the already in this 22nd of August, we already managed to make 300% for this stock, and it's heavily talked about here on the most shorted squeeze on Reddit. We're gonna talk about, of course, APRN and why is number one and the most short squeeze on Reddit, and why people upvote it so many times. We're gonna discuss it because there's a massive reaction and a support to hold to confirm another squeeze for APRN. Let me just go to RVPH. What's going on with it? Yes, $2.67 is kind of tested and hold above this level. We have a major support or above this EMA. You see it here. We need to hold this EMA for the coming days in order for our VBH to go to the $3.91, the squeeze area for the next week. If we test it and overcome this level, we're gonna have a big volatility. We're gonna do update for it, of course, when we manage overcome this resistance. However, in the meantime, we need to hold this current support above this level. And again, we did already live streaming, and we managed to cover a lot of stocks for you guys. And if you didn't manage to vote, please vote the next time on Friday in order to cover your stock on our live streaming first on Friday, 8 p.m. Paris time. We covered AMC, BBBY, and AVCT and BBBY. Of course, AMC was the 41% upvoted. That's why we're going to discuss it today as well. And BBBY and AVCT, there's an important level we're going to discuss as well. The squeeze watch list for Friday, we did it even on our membership area on YouTube. If you can join us, and you can have access to pre-market alerts for a lot of stocks before squeeze, and we already have 20 members by now. So thank you for the support, and let's get right to the video and discuss the other stock watch out for, which is, let me just go for the blue chip company, then we're gonna go for the stock that will be squeezing, because Tesla visited our resistance again and get rejected. You remember we talked about it last week. We spoke about Tesla because it was pre-market up almost 1% or 2%. After that, the short came in heavily again. Look, this is crazy. This candle is crazy. Went up even above the 280 However, we didn't close. You know why? Because we tested just below our AMA and the price went down how much? Almost 4%. So the game plan for Tesla, I'm not touching Tesla. Be patient because the price will go eventually around this level of support, around the 255. So you ask yourself, why you buy now if you know that the price will go around the 255? So I want a discount. I want another 5 discount on Tesla in order to buy around the support. And again, if you know if the price will get rejected, why are you buying here? That's why we saying have a strategy and hunting and never run out of price and let the price come to you. As well, 255 would be a nice midterm bottom. So it's not the bottom, okay? We have to see a reversal and we make a good trade and we watch again. We can actually do a swing trade here. Price bounce and we make a good swing trade. However, this is not the strongest support. If you want to average down, because if you're already holding Tesla for investment, you can average down around the 255 because we're going to see a reversal. And the mother of all bottom for Tesla for this year is the 182 if we don't overcome the 313. And again, if you want to average down on Tesla and AMC and the other blue chip company, you can at MOMO because there's a summer exclusive. You can get up to 10 free stocks, and those free stocks you have me, you have DKNG, AZO, AMC, Apple, and Tesla, and you have until the 15th of September in order to get those free stocks. And how you can get them is pretty easy. You open your account with MOMO. Second, you have to deposit $100 in order to get one free stock value between $8 up to $2,000. So what you waiting for? Get your free stocks at MOMO with my link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here will take you directly to open an account with MOMO. Let me just go back and discuss the other stock that would be squeezing. Now I'm not buying AMC unless we broke this level of resistance around the $10. And now we have to wait until we go gravitating toward this support, the $7.46, the first support. The strongest support is this $5.50. Next one, we have BBBY. Man, this one visited our support, which is the $8.24. If you remember, we already talked about the $8.24 when we got this gap. You see this gap, big gap, almost 40%. What we suggest that the price will go to $8.24 if we don't overcome this resistance nearing the $9.75. And see what happened. On Friday, we got this good reaction, which is consolidation. And before the market close, we have power hour. And this green candle confirmed that. The price went higher because this is confirmed support now, the $8.24. So what I suggest now, what's the strategy? And when the confirmation for bottom for BBBY, this will be the most important question to ask for any stock if you want to buy. For my opinion, I suggest to wait now until we have a confirmation for break, at least for the $8.72. This will be a technical level to confirm that the buying pressure that happened around the $8.24 is sufficient enough to go higher this time and break the $9.75 and go for the squeeze area around the $10.88, the most important level for now for BBBY to overcome, to enter a bullish run and big explosion again. So the $8.24 is confirmed support, and the mini resistance that will give me the pre-signaling to enter is the $8.70 break. Otherwise, if we don't overcome the $8.72, this reaction will happen. Get rejected around the $8.72, never holding the $8.24, this reaction will happen. Another sell-off until the $6.50. So this will be a good discount to buy BBBY, for my opinion. Almost 24% down, so 24 discount. That's what I see. When the market going down for any stock, I see a discount. For new traders, you see it like is they're panicking and never buy. You say like, okay, this is dangerous. Okay, it's dangerous, of course, if you don't know when to buy. and when to spot the market maker will buy. So it's a kind of strategy. You don't go blindly, but you have a strategy. You enter, you have an exit strategy, you have a taken profit strategy, everything preset before I enter any trade. Because if you enter a trade before having a target, you'll be emotional and stressed. And either if the market go down, you average down and you lower your stop loss and make your loss even bigger. And if the price go higher, you take your profit like faster, and you never let your winner run. So either way, you lose money and you lose opportunity. That's why we make strategy before we get in. And that's why we do a pre-market update on Patreon and Discord and even on our YouTube membership to prepare for the market before the market open. Next up, we have INDO. Look what's going on with INDO. Oh man. Last time we talked about INDO, it was here when we suggest to take profit, of course, around the $12.45. And the price gravitating down afterwards. We didn't hold the $8.73. We held, of course, here around the 25th or the 26th of August, and we did a good pounce. Let me just check. Yeah, 16%. Then the next time we didn't hold. You see this wick, this candle, a test, then break. Now what's the game plan? Now I don't buy INDO until we overcome again the $8.73. Because now the market maker not buying. Here retail trader buying. When the market maker buying, the moment that we overcome the $8.73 holding above, the market maker have a green light for this stock to go higher. And here we're gonna go with the market maker. Will make it easier because the wave will be higher and we can surf the wave. Is easy. If you don't have wave in the sea, how you can surf? You can go anywhere. You have to use your own energy, your hand, to make the surf move. However, if you have a big wave like this with the market maker, it's easy to surf the wave, okay? However, don't surf the big wave. It's dangerous. You have to be professional, okay? Anyway, so the $8.73 is the starting for the big wave coming in. And here we take our profit again. And the second one will be, of course, around the 19 before the 20 for INDO. Lastly, we have GameStop. Look what's going on. We discussed it in our live streaming. We suggest one bottom for GameStop or one reversal we have to have for GameStop in order to stop this madness of short on GameStop, which is, of course, here around this triangle from below. Toward the 25, above the $25. So after the split that we did for GameStop last month, we need to have a reaction for price value triggered for GameStop. Price value of GameStop will hit above the 25. We're gonna confirm that after we held above this triangle, and hold inside this triangle will give us a break. And this time the confirmation for a break and entering again for a bullish run is the $45. I can see it in $45. Yeah, the $45 will take us for the 61 and then the 78 squeeze. Now we have to watch out because if we broke the triangle for below, the best bottom to buy is the 14.70 and the $10, of course, two level of price action that we're gonna get a reversal, like 90% chance we're gonna see a reversal, like what happened here. You see here when we tested our triangle around the 2nd of March, we have big buying pressure where the market maker entered and the price made in few days 145%. And again here we did 118%. And again here, if we broke this level of triangle, we're gonna get another 80% around the $27. So to take a profit. Otherwise, you see the P&L for you, 1 year go 1,000%. The next year will go negative 1,000%. It's not consistent. We need consistency here in our trading. That's what we do here. We trade, we enter, we exit, take our profit, then re-enter again. Hopefully that was informative. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Remember, we do always live streaming at 8 p.m. Paris time each Friday, and we do the voting before that. So vote for your favorite stock to cover in live streaming. Hopefully have a nice weekend and see you in the next update.